Hello guys, in this tutorial today I'm going to show you the basics of Photoshop Type Tool, and without wasting your time, let's get started. So we are going to start by opening our Photoshop, and then we click File on top, then New, and we click OK, Enter. Then it opens our setting for the workspace. We choose the units. Let's use inches now, and we make 4 by 4. That's pretty good, most especially for social media flyers. After inserting in the width and the height, you leave the resolution 300, and the rest you leave them like that. We go to the name, we name it text tool, and once we are done, we click OK. So basically that is our workspace, the white one. That's where we are going to be working from. We are interested in the text tool, which is down below here. Under the text tool, we have 4 options of text tool, but today we are going to look at only 2, the first 2. Let's first look at the horizontal text tool, which is the first option. Click that, then you hit in the workspace, you start writing. Right, Dig Tech Solutions Hub. That's my text. You can choose yours. Yeah, after writing that, then we go to Layers panel. We double click on letter T to reveal the text options. Then once we hit that, we go to Windows on top. You can see we go to Windows on top. We select the character menu. Once we select character menu, it opens everything that we need to control here. As you can see, there is part for paragraph and another one for character, but right now we are dealing with characters. We are going to look for how to customize our font and choose a different font. As you can see here on the drop down arrow, you choose any font of your choice. Alternatively, you can type it there or type Montserrat. That's what I prefer. It's pretty good. Yeah, once that one is done, you go ahead and select or bold it. The drop arrow. Yep, or bold it. Yeah, as you can see, the changes are applying. Then I go ahead and select the size of the text or the font size. You can click there and select the size that you know. Let's use that one. As you can see, the size has changed, or you can keep on dragging and adjusting. We go ahead and select the spacing, the line spacing there. After line spacing, we go to character spacing. This is the space between the letters or the words. You can either choose to enlarge them or reduce them. The default value is 0. So you can increase and reduce depending on your customization. So from there, we are going to character tracking. In character tracking, we select a part of the text or portion of the text to apply changes, and only that selected part will be the one that will change. Others will remain the same. So we have selected Solutions Hub, and maybe we can reduce its size. As you can see, it's only Solutions Hub that is reducing in size. As you can see here, I can maintain this, which looks pretty good. Then once I'm satisfied with that, I go and maybe make it a little bit light, then to create some difference. So even the spacing here between I can reduce it or increase it depending on which I want, and then make it a little bit light. Yeah, you can see the difference taking place. That is the color. Select the color of Solutions Hub only, as Digitech remains the same. Basically, that is it. We can also decide to change Digitech. So Digitech is the one highlighted. We begin with changing the color. My desired color is blue, because that is our theme color, Digitech Solutions Hub. Yeah, as you can see, it has changed. So suppose we want to change the color for the whole text, as in the whole text, giving it one color. So what you do, you can double click in the text to reveal the options, and you select the color. As you can see, the whole text now gains one color. That's if you want a uniform color, but we can go back to our matte colored text layer. Yep, as you can see the difference. You go back to matte colored text layer. We're going to see how to deal with text boxes, paragraphs, and alignments. So you go back to your text tool, then you hit in the workspace, you hit, then hold and drag. As you can see, our text box, it must be big enough to accommodate all the words that you want to put there. So that's why we're going to drag it down to enlarge it. You can see the space is big, and now we start typing. I'll type, they say type Digitech Solutions, but you see our text is big, so the paragraph may not fit there. So what we're going to do, let's first reduce the character size. Go back to our character options by double clicking on letter T in the text in the layers panel. Then we reduce the size to something like 12. Yeah, so you can see we can go ahead because we have enough space where to type. Digitech Solutions Hub is located in Mbarara. That's one line, and we are going to add a second line to make our paragraph. So let's talk about our services. We offer branding, digital marketing, and photography, in case you didn't know. That one is enough to show us what we want to practice. Yeah, basically that one is done. As you can see, the alignment is centered, and we are going to go back to our character panel to reveal the options. Then we got paragraph. There you can see there is left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. Yeah, that's how you play around with paragraphs. So we're going to look at the second option of the type tool, which is the vertical type tool. So you select it, then you hit in the workspace and start typing. After hitting in the workspace, let's write the word tutorial. Yep, that's our word. As you can see, the direction of the text, this one is going down, which is not the same as the other one that was horizontal. Once you've written like that, the other options remain the same. So basically that is enough for today about the basics of the type tool. The advanced part of it we shall see in the next tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and you turn on the notification icon so that you keep notified when our next tutorial comes in. Thanks for watching.